I know you guys love VTX. What are your thoughts on diversifying a little bit and including some Vanguard small and mid cap index funds? I'll speak first, JJ, and then you can throw them in. VTSAX has every single stock that's publicly traded in the stock market, currently over 3,500 stocks. I can't see a way to get more diversified than that. With that said, if you do, depending on your age and what you're into, want to focus on maybe highlighting some of those stocks, for example, I'd be a liar if I said that I don't have a little bit of VUG, the Vanguard growth stock. I've also had VTI in my portfolio one time, which was the Vanguard Tech, and also too I've gone for VYM, which is the dividend. So the reason I've gotten rid of those is because I realize at the end of the day, VTSAX can get the job done. And if I'm gonna go outside of those, if I'm gonna go outside VTSAX, I'm gonna either trade options or I'm gonna buy individual stocks. I think that it's a little bit, at least in my opinion, it's a little bit like counterproductive. I don't know if counterproductive is the right word. A little repetitive to own VTSAX and then small segments in it, but I'm not against it. You know, I'll tell somebody to have 100 index funds before I tell them to have 100 stocks in their portfolio.
I would agree with that. Me too. Yeah, I mean, I pretty much agree. I mean, I would probably lean more towards the side of if you do want to do like a small cap or you want to focus in on some sort of like healthcare ETF or an airline
Yeah.
ETF or a flower, aka ETF, whatever it is. Like
You can
I
say,
don't.
I think you can say marijuana.
Oh yeah, it's podcast, and YouTube, cannabis. You want to do a
Cannabis.
cannabis ETF, whatever. Like I don't see anything wrong with that at all. Like if you want
Yeah.
to have a little bit of percent of your percentage of your overall portfolio in that sort of ETF, yeah, I don't think that's a bad thing.
Like if VTSAX is like a whole list, if you want to highlight certain sections along that list,
Yeah,
I'm not against that.
yeah, because you got to
I
think
don't
like if
personally do it anymore, but I'm not against it.
well, you got to think, dude. Like if small caps explode, over the past next 3-4 years,
Mhm.
then not only are you getting a little bit of that from your VTI or VTSAX, but you're also getting a more amount of that from your small cap ETF. So yeah, I get it. And
Mhm.
I don't think it's a bad thing to do. I'm gonna turn my AC on for a little bit until we start filming again. I'm burning up in here. But
Guys, guys, I hate when JJ turns that thing on. All I hear in the background is like,
um, but no, I definitely think it's not a bad thing